Yo, G Money, go get the drugs real quick, fool. I ain't feeling this heartbreak shit, dude. You know what I'm saying? Girl had an attitude that I did not understand. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. All girls are the fucking same. These bitches tryna give you the brain. But one thing they don't understand is your motherfucking pain. They don't understand your pain and that shit really drive you insane. It made me wanna go blow out a motherfucking bitch brain. Okay. She kinda freaky though, she told me to run the train. I let little bitch bring her on fucking pain. I let little bitch, okay. On her lip wasn't a stain, okay. She really tryna fucking play, okay. I pull up, I spray, okay. That bitch is real lame, and oh my god, she cannot fucking tank. Pull up on her head like a fucking purse. That little bitch, she best go to fucking work. I like the way shorty really fucking twerk. She thought of that best, she really get to work. I say, little bitch, she fucking that shit up. She fucking that shit up. I say, little bitch, what's up? You really fucking that shit up. She tryna suck me up. She really tryna talk me up. I say, little bitch, you give me that fucking sloppy toppy. I say, little bitch on the game. Hit your bitch out with a moppy. She tryna call me Big Poppy. You know that one? Okay. You know they call me Big Poppy. Tryna give me that sloppy toppy. She really tryna call me Big Poppy. I said, little bitch, I don't even know what Poppy really fucking mean. I'm putting the dick in her spleen. I'm breaking her back. I'm breaking her back by all means. You know what I'm saying? Pull up in this bitch. Pull up in this bitch, okay? Pull up in this bitch like a motherfucking murder scene, you know that way, okay? All we know is fucking murder and homicide, little niggas, you down the ride. Okay, yeah. Ooh.